What's up guys, I am back, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock apps individually in iOS 14. So I'm pretty sure you know some applications like WhatsApp have this feature built in where you can lock applications using your Face ID or Touch ID, but many applications still don't have this feature. So in this video I'm going to show you how to lock them. So to kick things off, go to settings, go to screen time, scroll down and click on use screen time passcode. So make a password that you will be using to unlock the applications later on. Re-enter the password, then simply enter your Apple ID as a recovery. So if you lose the password, you can recover it from your Apple ID. Now click on app limits, turn it on, go inside, add a limit for 1 minute. You can also configure what days of the week this works. So configure that, then click on edit list, and now you have all your applications in all of these categories. So you have your social apps, your games, your entertainment, all of that. So for the sake of the video, let's lock Netflix and Spotify. So you can easily lock as many applications as you want, or you can just lock one application. It's totally up to you. But once you're done, simply click on add, and now these two applications, they have a limit on them, so you'll only be able to use them for the specified limit, that is 1 minute. So after 1 minute, this screen shows up that says time limit is up. And now Spotify, if I want to use the application, I'll have to click on ask for more time, and then I have to enter the password. Then I can select if I get 15 minutes, an hour, or the day. So select that, and you'll only be able to use the application for the specified period of time that you just selected. So again, this is pretty cool, and every time you access the application which has a time limit on that, you'll have to enter a password, otherwise you won't be able to access that. So it's pretty neat, and it's not obviously as good as a built-in app limit or a built-in app lock, but it gets the job done, and you have a lock. So if you want to hide the application or specific games, it's pretty simple, and you can easily do this with this application. Now if you want to hide applications, the process is just as simple. I'm pretty sure you guys remember that in older iOS versions, we had these glitches that we had to use to hide applications, but all of that is gone now because we have the app library. So simply hold on the application, click on delete, then click on move to app library, and now the app is only gonna be in the library and not on your home screen. And you can also enable this for new installations. So go to settings, go to home screen, click on add only to app library, and now all your new installations, all your new applications that you installed from the App Store are only gonna show up in the app library and not on your home screen. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Actually, I've done a ton of coverage on iOS 14, so if you want to know how to improve your battery life or customize your widgets or app icons, all of those videos will be linked down below, so check them out and enjoy them. Until then, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.